Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you how you can use ChatGPT to make money online, anywhere between a couple of $100s a week, a few dollars a day, and even up to tens of thousands of dollars every single week, depending on how much time you want to put into this and how you go about this with the following strategy that I'm going to show you guys. It is an extremely powerful copywriting tool where you can send any request, instruction, question to this tool and it will automatically give you answers, articles, and done for you copywritten scripts. For example, over here I typed write me an article about a 21-day smoothie weight loss program and it wrote me this article in seconds. So instead of paying freelancers and publishers hundreds of dollars to write you articles, you can use ChatGPT to write this exact same content in just a couple of seconds. And I'm going to show you how you can go and plug in the following affiliate links with the following traffic strategy on this website that is getting anywhere between 2.3 and 2.7 million visitors every single month, and how you can get a piece of this pie. And secondly, I'm going to show you a second strategy where you can use also article publishing with ChatGPT and get your article published in big news websites around the world, such as MarketWatch, Bazinga, Digital Journal, Fox News, 21 News, The Daily Herald, Buffalo News, News Channel Nebraska, where these platforms are getting millions of visitors, specifically MarketWatch, 71 million visitors every single month. And you can go and get a piece of the pie of this traffic, which is how you can generate money online using the strategy with your affiliate link. Remember guys, ChatGPT was only really launched and became well known this year. It is not early whatsoever. I can't imagine where a tool like this is going to be in 1, 2, and even 3, 4 years down the line from now. So imagine if you start and get into this today, where you can be in a few months and a few years down the line. The first step in the strategy is really easy. We need our product to go and plug into our ChatGPT content. Come over to a website called clickbank.com, which is a platform where you can promote some of the most viral and well-known affiliate digital products all around the world, which makes it really easy for you to plug in these products into your ChatGPT content. If ClickBank is not accepted in your country, you can come over to digistore24.com. Amazing alternative. Most times I actually use Digistore24 more because they have better and more updated products. However, for today's video, I'm going to be using clickbank.com as I've been using the strategy with one specific product that I'm actually going to share with you guys. And make sure to watch until the end of this video because I'm going to give you guys something really special. How you can actually chat to me 24/7, get 24/7 support from me, live streaming sessions on Sundays and weekends with me, and all sorts of other value in a community that I've created this year. So make sure to watch until the end of this video so that you can see how to get access to that. So step number 1 in this entire strategy is coming over to ClickBank, click on health and fitness, and on the left hand side you will see tons of various subcategories of different products that you can go and promote, from beauty, dental health, dietary and supplements, diets and weight loss, meditation, mental health, men's health, nutrition, remedies, sleep products, spiritual health, women's health, strength training, anything that you can go and think of. I recommend choose something that you're passionate about. If you're into business and finance, you can come over to the e-business and e-marketing niche and apply exactly what I'm going to teach in this video with the same strategy. For this example, I'm going to be using diet and weight loss products as that has been one of my most successful niches on ClickBank and with affiliate marketing. The first product over here, the Smoothie Diet 21-Day Rapid Weight Loss Program, is a program that's currently number 1 on clickbank.com. For 2 reasons. It's a product that people enjoy, it's very easy to follow to lose weight, and it's not expensive at all. And people love desserts. And this is a weight loss program based around desserts, specifically smoothies. You're going to earn a commission of $28.68 every single sale that you make. If you click on the link of this product, take a look at this. It will take you to a done-for-you, tailor-made landing page that the developers of this product have already created with the done for you webinar, done for you results and testimonials from clients that have tried this product. So this page automatically does all of the selling for you. You don't need to spend tons of money on ClickFunnels, Builderall, and those funnel building programs to build your own funnel. You can use the funnel that they've already created for you. So click on Promote Now of your ClickBank product, click on Generate Hop Link, Click on copy, or you can leave this in a new tab for now, as we're going to come back to this later. Secondly, come over to openai.com/blog/ChatGPT. You can also search ChatGPT on Google. You will find this exact same link. Click on Try ChatGPT, and it will take you to the live ChatGPT chat room, where this artificial intelligence tool takes over, and you can now enter your request into this AI. Click on New Chat on the left-hand side. It will then open up a chat room like this, where you can send requests to ChatGPT. So for example, type here, write me an article on the 21-day rapid smoothie weight loss. Just make sure your spelling is correct. Click on send, and in a couple of seconds, ChatGPT is automatically going to type out an entire article and copywritten script that you can use to monetize with the following platforms that I'm going to be showing you in the next step. Take a look at this. What some bloggers, journalists, copywriters that take hours to write content like this and charge hundreds of dollars for that is now done for free by artificial intelligence in just a couple of seconds. So once this is done, writing over here, you'll see it's giving me a nice introduction, basically about the benefits, what is the 21-day smoothie, key components, and then a step-by-step process on how to implement this in your lifestyle to lose weight. So let's wait for this to finish. It's now printing out the conclusion, and you can now go and copy this entire article. Right-click, copy. The third platform and the third step in getting sales and traffic to this is using our free platform. Come over to our website called vocal.media. Click on Create Story on the top right-hand side. You can go and paste your title, subtitle, an image, and your entire article. And this website is a new upcoming article publishing website that is getting millions of views every single month from top tier countries such as United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. So come over to vocal.media. For your title, you can go and type 21-day rapid smoothie weight loss program. You can put -free webinar. For your subtitle, come over to ChatGPT, where you've written your article. Go and copy the entire subtitle of this article. Paste this under your subtitle. For the Unsplash image, just click on Unsplash. Go and search smoothie. Click on enter. You can go and choose any one of these smoothie pictures. I'm going to choose this one over here. And for your article, the easy part, it's all a matter of copy and paste. So paste this over here under your start writing. You then want to come back to ClickBank, copy your hop link, highlight your entire article that you've just written or pasted, click on link and paste your affiliate link, which will turn your entire article into one clickable link. I'm just removing some extra unnecessary spaces to make this look neater. And once this is done, you can now just go and enter on below the first paragraph, 2 arrows like that, and go and type here, watch free webinar. And you can put closure arrows, highlight this text, click on link, paste your affiliate link, which now makes this a clickable link. Click on save changes, and this article has now been publicly posted to vocal.media. You'll see over here, this has now been posted and available for the public to view. And this article will then publish to the public on vocal.media. And when people search up on Google weight loss or 21-day rapid smoothie weight loss or best smoothies for weight loss, anything relative to those terms, your article will also pop up on Google when people search those terms. The third and final thing that you can do with the strategy, once you've generated a few commissions from the free article, you can come over to a platform called brandpush.co. If you scroll down on the website, you can take a look at some of the most viral and well-known news platforms in the world where you can go and post this exact same article on. MarketWatch, Bazinga, like I explained in the intro, you can click on If you scroll up to the top, see our packages. I recommend choosing the starter package because the plus and the pro package is where brandpush.co actually writes an article for you. But since you've already created your own article with ChatGPT, you don't need that service. Therefore, the starter plan will be more than fine. And they will post all your articles on Fox News, USA Today, MarketWatch, Digital Journal, and all the other platforms that I revealed earlier on, and all the other platforms on the front page of this website. So once you've made $195 off your free article, you can reinvest that into brandpush.co. So you're not even using your own money out of your pocket. You're reinvesting and growing this business with profits already made. And last and finally, if you want to get access to the entire Millionaire Mindset funded community that I've created, where I go over every single live trade that I take in the market with stop loss, TP, and full signals analyzed on tradingview.com, a live chat where you can chat to me with trade ideas and signal chat, webinars and live streams every single weekend doing live backtesting streams, a full in-depth 6-step and module course on smart money concepts and ICT concepts with supply, demand, fair value gaps, change of characters, liquidity sweeps, indicators to pair with SMC. For those of you that have been watching my channel for a while, you would know that I do this full-time off of YouTube and I trade with prop firms, how to manage risk and risk management in my own way, trading psychology and options from our Millionaire Mindset funded team to pass your funded account for you in 2 to 4 hours, live stream backtesting videos, an entire Discord community with about 500 members at the moment, and other many professional traders in the community that are funded with various prop firms. A trade recap section where you can go and post your own trades, and I will make a video just like this, recapping your trade for you, explaining where you went wrong and also explaining where you went right. The public trading floor with Forex trade ideas, indices, crypto, endless support. You can talk to me 24/7 in the Discord. I always respond to messages to me literally in the first 10 minutes. And we also have an extra section where we go over indicator hacks, tweaks we find and test and play with. So this entire community will be listed down below on the first link in the description. This is what the community looks like over here with all the subsections, a welcome message, member introduction where every single member is introduced, the entire 6-step course section, live streams, course questions, the public signal rooms where I post every single live trade that I take, the funding pass section, and also we have a section where we post off topic. We talk about sports that's happening on the weekend, different boxing events, and this entire family has really just become, or group has just become, one awesome close trading family. A lot of people have made good friends. A lot of people have really found their edge in the market through our help and other members in this group. So like I said, if you wanted to get access to this community, ask me anything about my YouTube videos or over here in the Discord specifically about trading. I will leave a link down below, the top link on this video in the description. So what I recommend is click on the link in the description and I'll see you over there.